Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the second part of our data structures covering dictionaries. Dictionaries are another data structure that allows us to organize and store data. They are similar to lists in that they are dynamic, mutable, and can be nested, but differ from lists in the way they are created, accessed, and that they are unordered. The key difference is that dictionaries have keys for every element, and the key is what we use to access elements in a dictionary, as we cannot access dictionary elements using their index. Let's look at how to define and access them. In this example, our keys are the countries and the values are the capitals. You can display the content of an existing dictionary by simply printing it. You can also define dictionaries using the built-in dict function, where you specify the key value pair like this. As we said before, we cannot access a dictionary element by using its index. An error will occur if you try to do so. If you want to access a specific element in the dictionary, you need to specify its corresponding key as it shows. You can modify elements in the dictionary by accessing them through their keys too, as you can see. We can add an entry to dictionary that exists by specifying the new key and value for that entry as it shows in this example. To delete an entry, we use the reserved word del and specify the entry to be deleted using its key as you can see. Now let's practice by creating our dictionary. Create your own dictionary that includes your favorite food items as keys and a list of their ingredients as the values for each. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself. Remember, just like lists, the values in a dictionary do not need to be of the same type. You can also have nested dictionaries or dictionaries that contain lists and lists of lists. Be careful, a key can only appear once in a dictionary. Duplicate keys are not allowed. If you specify the same key twice in a dictionary, the second will override the first as you can see. You also need to remember that dictionary keys must always be of an immutable type, such as integer, string, boolean, or as we talked about in the previous video, tuples too, as they are immutable objects. Let's now look at some operations that we can do on dictionaries. You can use the len function to return the length of a dictionary. Dictionaries have built-in functions that we can call for each object of type dict. Let's look at a couple of common functions for dictionaries. The keys method returns the keys of the dictionary as a list. The values method returns the values of the dictionary as a list. The pop method removes an element from the dictionary using its key. The get method returns the value of the item with the specified key. Let's now practice those operations on the food dictionary that we created earlier. And with that, We have covered 3 of the most useful data structures that we can use in Python. You can always research more and find out what other advanced structures the Python has and what are their benefits and uses. I will see you in the final video of this class to conclude our work and talk about the class project.